kinyalo paro ni Kenya notimo yiero maduong' e higani. Wamenyo moko kuom jotelo mabende wang'iyo kaka gisewuotho nyaka ne giyud telo no. Abiro nyaka kaunti ma Nairobi, kama telo mar kaunti ma Nairobi osebedo kayoe wang' kendo piem mar yudo thuolo mar governor thoro bedo moridore. Wang' ni Johnson Sakaja emanyocho yangore motegno karo nyagore motegno mocho kawo komno gi otiko maduon bura mar UDA. To wuoth osebedo nade ne Sakaja nyaka chop sani nyakoro mgajuang. Jafwambo marwa Walter Nyambago bedo gi twak makende gi Johnson Sakaja e yo makama.
I, Sakaja Arthur Johnson, do swear.
Johnson Arthur Sakaja, maen governor mar ang'wen e county ma Nairobi. Sakaja osebedo apisi kuom thuolo mohingo ndalo 100.
I used to move from the court to the DCI to campaign to my campaign office to court.
Wabilo wach kaka higa mar 2022 osebedo kode ka warango kit midhiero mane okale e kinde mag campaign.
I went through so much. I was told I reached class 2. I was told many things. But they say no pain, no palm, no cross, no crown, no girl, no glory, no thorns, no throne. That process refined me.
Sakaja koni owinjore ka en kod fungruok e kata kamano chunye bedo mana gi kwe ka oreso ganda.
Nothing has changed, just the responsibility. The gravity that I can make a decision that changes a life. And that motivates me every day.
Mapio pio, wapenjo Sakaja pache e wi kaka itayo piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza kopimo kod sirikal mar Jubilee mane en mar Uhuru Kenyatta manosedhi rutaya.
I miss my friend Uhuru Kenyatta as a friend. Our journey was very long. Politics divided us. President William Ruto is one of the most talented politicians.
Ogolo pache wi lemo mar apisi ma William Ruto ne godo mar chuogo ne jatend kweth maketo piny owacho tesre.
What he is doing in terms of reaching out is just being a pragmatic politician, because politics is numbers. But I'm really impressed that he's proposed now the creation of the office of the leader of opposition, so that we can institutionalize oversight.
Eka utudo piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza to kod mise mage magero Nairobi. Sakaja koni oseketo lai magero jikonde 17 sub-county ka sub-county mar chiwo chiemo ne skunde e kaka yor kedo kod kech e skunde ma Nairobi mamiyo nyithindo kalo e matek e yor chiemo.
We'll be constructing 17 central kitchens in every sub-county. One kitchen serves 10 to 15 schools in that radius.
Okoni wich bar mare en weche thieth. Osiptande ma onge kod lakteche, onge mag yedhe kanyakla kod lwasi mar ute mag thieth. Sakaja ochiwo ranyisi kod kar thieth ma Mama Lucy Hospital.
I've seen 4 mothers sharing a bed at Mama Lucy. What is a hospital without medicine, without a nurse, without a doctor, without equipment? It's just a social hall. So we're going to equip those facilities.
Jatelno koni giseyaro badge choko taka machida lura ma Nairobi. E kendo jomi badhi mane chulo tok chok taka bende okawne gi okang'. E ka jodak ma Nairobi bende sundo mondo bedo motang' kod dhura gik mochida hoyaen ni chik biro ngwamogi.
From the day we got in, we've collected 214,000 tons of garbage. Garbage had become, it was made a cash cow, a business. More than 46 companies being paid to deliver garbage to Dandora dam site. So we must change this, how we approach waste management.
Ogolo chung motegni kuonde mag modho andiwo e kotoyo ngona mayudore kuonde mag jot ma Nairobi. E ka olero ni kata kanise man kod gige kowo duol madongo bende ibi kawne gi okang' ka chenro mag lesen dhiyo nyime.
We have a problem with nightclubs making noise in residential areas. And you cannot say that there'll be job losses. Who is employed to make noise? And we must correct it. The same process we've gone through them is the same process we'll have with the churches.
Omedo ni dwaro nitiere mag tieko dhungni mag geche boma e kod kedo kod mibadhi yor choko suru e yo manyasani.
From Nairobi you can be to any part of the world. You will be in New York in 11 hours, London in 8 hours, Dubai in 5 hours. And then you come get stuck in traffic for 4 hours. When we got in August, the collections in August were 340 million shillings. It went up to 360 million shillings the next month. We've tightened and created Nairobi Pay, digitizing every revenue stream. And in the last month, we've done 448 million shillings. Just by making sure there is no cash payment, there are no different systems. It is all on *647#.
Ochano tieko midhiero mag wang' chirni orofa malwar kendo nego ji eka otudogi kod mibadhi mag jogedo matiyo kod yore mag oledhi e gedo.
Were those deaths justified? Were they necessary? This race for profits and to make money has really made us less human. Why is it happening? People taking shortcuts, people trying to go against the law. Because even these contractors, I have told them, the developers, why would you want your 50 million shillings or 60 million shillings to also come down? If we follow the law, and I'm glad we sat with the Minister Zak and the Governor of Kiambu, Wamatangi, our building inspectorate team from national government, to say, let us review all these buildings, and where we can reinforce the building, let's reinforce it.
Okoni kar bago rombe mo Uhuru Park dhikelo nwengo mar jolo jok mayuto gene penye kata kuonde ma nyithindo makien ojotie.
Once those works are completed, we'll have a minimal charge because we must maintain the park. We're even mulling over the idea of having a parks commission that looks at not just Uhuru Park and Central Park, but all the other parks that we want to create around the city. In Eastlands, Jacaranda grounds, in Kamkunji grounds. It can't just be for politics. Let's give people green spaces. If you go today to Roysambu, TRM at the roundabout, you'll find families standing there on a weekend.
Jatelno koni onge mar pi Nairobi ikelo kodongo ke matimo mibadhi mag loro dundu makeyo pi kendo gikone to gi uso pige gi wuon.
And so what we'll do with that water is to primarily channel a bulk of it, or to make sure we have more water going to Eastlands. There are people who actually had cut off supply of water so that they can bring clean water trucks, Bowsers, physically closing the taps and levers. And then you find even someone has built a house around where those are water lever. It's very simple now. SCADA technology. If you put SCADA technology in our pipes, from my phone I'll be able to see imekatiwa hapa Kariobangi.
Sakaja koni loch gwenge ber kendo midhiero mokwako county ma Nairobi en kitelo makare kod tudruok e kind ji giwegi.
The problem in Nairobi was leadership. Devolution is based on a principle called subsidiarity, where a service is best offered at the lowest level.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.